Berachot, Perek Bet, Mishnah Zayin. Berachot, 2nd chapter, 7th Mishnah. Ukshemet Tavi Avdo, when his servant Tavi passed away, Eved Knaani shel Rabban Gamliel. He was a Canaanite slave who belonged to Rabban Gamliel. Kibel alav tanchumim. He received on him mournings. In other words, people told him the same greeting that you will say to a Jew. כשחזר רבן גמליאל מהקבר, when Rabban Gamliel returned from his grave, עשו לו שורה, they made for him a line, וניחמו אותו, and they comforted Rabban Gamliel כדרך שמנחמים אבלים אחרים, the way they comforted other mourners, even though he was non-Jew. אמרו לו תלמידיו, his students said to him, לרבן גמליאל, to רבן גמליאל, לא לימדתנו רבנו שאין מקבלים תנחומים על העבדים? It says, didn't you teach us that one doesn't say the same form for slaves, that one doesn't comfort in the same way to slave than to regular people? ולמה קיבלת תנחומים על תבי עבדך? Why did you receive these comforting words on Tavi, your slave? אמר להם, so Rabban Gamliel told them, אין תבי עבדי כשאר כל העבדים. He says, Tavi, my slave, is not like a regular slave, which means a non-Jew. kasher היה, he was a kosher. He was kosher. What does it mean, kosher? Yeah, he was still non-Jewish. So Rabban Gamliel explains, מדקדקי במצוות. He used to perform the commandments meticulously. ויש מפרשים, there are those who explain, תלמיד חכם, he was a sage. Not just perform the mitzvahs meticulously, he was a sage. He learned Torah. בשנות אליהו מבואר, in a book called שנות אליהו, it explains, שתלמידיו שאלו אותו שתי שאלות, that actually they asked him two questions. Number one, they asked him, הלא איננו קרובו. First of all, he's not a family member. ואפילו היה בן חורים, אין צריך לקבל עליו תנחומים. And even if he wasn't a slave, even if he was a regular person, people shouldn't be comforting him. You're not family. You only comfort family. And second, there's a second question. הלא היה עבד. Besides that fact, he's a slave. ואין מקבלים תנחומים על העבדים. And you don't receive comfort on slaves, only on family members. And for sure that they have to be free and they're not allowed to be slaves. והשיב להם רבן גמליאל, and רבן גמליאל answered, אין תבי עבדי כשאר העבדים. It says, Tavi is not like any other slaves. אין דינו ככל עבד אחר. His category is not like a regular slaves. כאשר היה, he was a kosher person. וכל אדם חייב לקבל עליו תנחומים. And every person should receive on such a person comfort. וכן אמרו בירושלמי, and this is what they said in ירושלמי, שעבדו המשמש כרצונו חביב עליו כבנו. It says, Tavi was completely nullified to Rabban Gamliel, that Rabban Gamliel looked at him as his son. So he was like an adopted son for Rabban Gamliel.